Hello tool lovers. In this video, we're diving into the top 20 Genius woodworking tools on the market that can take your DIY projects to the next level. Whether you're a beginner woodworker or a seasoned craftsman, these smart, innovative tools can save time, boost precision, and make your work easier. From clever measuring gadgets to powerful cutting tools, get ready to discover some must-have gear every workshop needs. Indexable miter gauge. The Woodpeckers. Indexable miter gauge is a high-precision table saw accessory designed to deliver accurate, repeatable cuts for woodworking projects. It features indexed angle stops that quickly snap into common angles, along with a clear hairline reticle for fine manual adjustments. An extendable aluminum fence with dual measurement scales supports longer workpieces. Its patented leaf spring miter bar removes play in the slot, while a micro-adjustable flip stop and sacrificial block improve cutting accuracy, stability, and cleaner results for demanding woodworkers. Ultra-Shear 3. The Woodpeckers. Ultra-Shear 3 series is a premium line of woodworking router bits designed for superior speed and finish quality. Featuring an advanced 3-flute cutting design, these tools deliver smoother surfaces while allowing up to 50% faster feed rates than standard 2-flute bits. The extra cutting edge increases cuts per inch, reducing sanding and improving efficiency. Built from solid carbide or carbide-tipped steel and manufactured in the United States, Ultra-Shear 3 bits offer excellent durability, cooler cutting performance, and precision results for demanding woodworking projects. Arm jack handle. The labour-saving arm. Jack 2-pack is a compact mechanical lifting tool designed to help a single person lift, level, and position heavy objects with precision. Ideal for installing cabinets, doors, windows, and appliances, it provides strong and stable support. Most models can lift between 330 and 440 pounds, with heavy-duty versions reaching up to 560 pounds. Built with durable steel, non-slip bases, and precise height adjustment, these versatile jacks make construction, woodworking, and home installation tasks faster, safer, and far easier. Wheel marking gauge. The Woodpeckers. Wheel marking gauge is a high-precision layout tool built for clean, accurate woodworking marks. Instead of scratching the surface, its ultra-thin circular blade slices wood fibers to create crisp scribe lines that guide saws and chisels perfectly. A micro-adjustment barrel allows extremely fine calibration for precise measurements. The tool features a large, stainless reference fence, dual marking capability, and durable anodized aluminum construction, making it reliable for detailed layout work, mortise marking, and consistent professional results. Mini grinder. The POWERTEC MG 1000 mini grinder is a powerful cordless carving and grinding tool designed to work with the DEWALT 18V/20V XR battery system. Built for precision tasks, it easily reaches tight spaces where standard angle grinders cannot fit. Its brushless motor delivers consistent power and torque, while the extended aluminum neck improves visibility and control. With a variable 6-speed range up to 19,500 revolutions per minute, plus dust extraction and safety clutch features. The MG 1000 offers versatility, durability, and safer professional performance. Wood carving bit set. the PONTASS. Wood Carving Bit Set is a 5-piece rotary accessory kit built for fast, precise wood carving, engraving, and detailing. Made from durable high-speed steel, these bits provide excellent hardness, heat resistance, and long-lasting sharpness. Their tricuspid cutting design improves centering and chip removal for smoother cuts. Compatible with most rotary tools like Dremel, the set can carve up to 5 times faster than manual methods. With multiple bit shapes, it handles detailed patterns, grooves, curves, and flat surface smoothing. T1R Range Hybrid. The Recon T1R Range is a professional hybrid measuring tool that combines a digital tape measure, laser distance meter, and digital level in one compact device. It measures from short tape pulls to distances up to 165 feet with high accuracy. The tool features a bright green laser line for alignment, dual axis leveling, and easy switching between metric and imperial units. With Bluetooth connectivity, measurement memory, and rugged construction, it's designed to streamline workflows and deliver reliable performance on demanding construction job sites. Bench Dogs Clamp Set. The BGASNW. Bench Dogs Clamp Set is a precision woodworking hold-down system designed for multifunction MFT workbenches with standard 3/4-inch dog holes. It delivers 3-directional clamping force, applying horizontal and vertical pressure to keep workpieces firmly in place during routing, sanding, or planing. Ratchet-assisted tightening allows quick, effortless adjustments, while the all-metal stainless steel and anodized aluminum build ensures durability. Soft silicone pads protect wood surfaces, and CNC machine components provide smooth operation and reliable, rock-solid stability. Door Hinge Jig. The Loon. 9-door hinge jig is an adjustable router template that makes installing door hinges fast and precise. It eliminates manual chiseling by cutting exact mortises for round or square corner hinges. The jig features adjustable hinge length, 3 to 5 inches, a built-in depth gauge, removable corner inserts, and integrated storage for bits. Its non-slip clamping system protects doors, while rugged ABS construction ensures durability. The kit typically includes the hinge template, router bit, self-centering hinge bit, screwdriver, and hex wrench for instant use. Ratcheting Table Clamps. Set the MAXPOWER Ratcheting Table Clamps. Set is a high-strength woodworking accessory designed for MFT systems and track saw guide rails. Its fast-acting ratcheting lever delivers up to 530 pounds, 240 kilograms, of clamping force, keeping workpieces stable during cutting, routing, or sanding. One-handed operation speeds up repetitive tasks, while vibration-resistant mechanical locks prevent loosening. Constructed from high-carbon steel and CRV alloy with protective pads, these clamps are durable, precise, and integrate seamlessly with major guide rails and 20mm MFT bench dog holes. Carbide tipped 82 degrees. The KEENTECH Carbide tipped 82 degrees. Countersink drill bit is built for precision, durability, and clean results in woodworking and light metal tasks. Its carbide tipped countersink head delivers exceptional wear resistance, capable of handling up to 30,000 holes in solid wood. The adjustable, ball-bearing depth stop spins freely to prevent scratches or burn marks while ensuring consistent countersink depth. An M2 high-speed steel pilot bit with gold coating offers extended life and adjustable drilling depth. Designed to the 82-degree ANSI standard, it pairs perfectly with flat head screws. A 1/4 inch quick release hex shank allows fast, secure bit changes across multiple materials. Dowel Jig Kit. The Kreg Dowel Jig Kit makes building strong, accurate dowel joints fast and frustration-free. Designed to eliminate complicated measuring and marking, it delivers consistent results thanks to multiple alignment options and hardened steel drill guides. The onboard measuring scale and stop collar system ensure precise depth every time, while the clamp-ready design keeps everything stable during drilling. Built from impact-resistant polymer, the jig is durable enough for shop or job site use. With integrated storage for accessories and versatility for corner, edge, and miter joints, it's an ideal solution for cabinets, furniture, and everyday woodworking repairs. Thin Rip Jig the Saker. Thin Rip Jig Table Saw Guide is a must-have accessory for woodworkers who demand accuracy, safety, and repeatability when cutting narrow strips. Built from CNC, machined anodized aluminum, it delivers rock-solid stability and long-term durability. Its precision roller bearing system allows smooth forward motion while actively preventing kickback, making thin rip cuts safer and more controlled. With fine adjustment down to 1/32 inch, clear metric and imperial scales, and wide T-slot compatibility, this jig is perfect for cabinetry, trim work, and detailed projects. The slide set lock design ensures fast setup and consistent results every time. T-Bevel gauge. The Preciva T-Bevel gauge and Protractor blends classic craftsmanship with modern digital precision, making angle measurement fast, accurate, and hassle-free. Its large LCD screen delivers clear readings with up to plus or minus 0.3 degrees accuracy and fine resolution for demanding tasks. Built with a stainless steel ruler and durable ABS handle, it's designed for long-term workshop use. The locking knob ensures angles stay put, while metric and imperial scales add flexibility. Smart features like hold, zeroing, reverse display, integrated levels, and auto power off make this tool ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and precise layout jobs. Stackable featherboards. The POWERTEC. Stackable featherboards are a smart, safety-focused upgrade for any woodworking setup. Made from durable, impact-resistant polymer, they apply consistent pressure to keep stock firmly against the fence or table for cleaner, more accurate cuts. Their innovative stackable design eliminates the need for spacers, making them ideal for taller workpieces. Angled fingers reduce kickback while maintaining smooth feed control. With dual mounting options for miter slots and T-tracks, plus easy grip star knobs for quick adjustments, these featherboards work seamlessly on table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers, boosting both precision and safety. Multifunctional Project Table. The POWERTEC Multifunctional Project Table is a smart portable solution for DIYers and woodworkers who need a reliable work surface anywhere. Its foldable, lightweight design makes transport and vertical storage effortless, while the heavy-duty steel frame delivers impressive stability. The durable tabletop features a universal 3/4 inch bench dog hole pattern, allowing compatibility with a wide range of clamps and accessories. With imprinted metric and imperial measurements, precise layout is quick and easy. Designed with safety locks, self-leveling feet, and a wide leg stance, this table supports demanding tasks like cutting, sanding, clamping, and assembly with confidence. Wood glue dispenser, 16 ounces bottle. The Fastcap wood glue dispenser, 16-ounce bottle, better known as the GlueBot, is a game changer for clean, precise glue application. Its patented 2-chamber, no drip system creates a vacuum that pulls excess glue back into the bottle, keeping the tip clean and clog-free. With interchangeable Yorker and blade tips, you can apply fine lines or wider spreads with total control. The bottle works vertically or horizontally, features a wide mouth for easy refills, and has a stable base to prevent tipping. Durable, efficient, and mess-free, it's ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. Countersink drill bit set. The EZARC Countersink drill bit set delivers precision, durability, and versatility for woodworking and metalworking projects. Crafted from high-speed steel with titanium nitride or black oxide coatings, these bits resist wear and corrosion. Featuring an optimal 82-degree angle, they ensure perfect flush countersinking for flat head screws. Woodworking sets use a 4-flute design for smooth, fast chip removal, while metal sets employ 5 flutes to minimize vibration and improve finishes. Adjustable depth control, a universal 1/4 inch hex shank, and multi-functionality allow drilling, countersinking, and counterboring in one step. Complete kits include multiple sizes, hex wrenches, and a sturdy storage case. Mini Square Woodworking Center Finder. The Sunlfprod. Mini Square Woodworking Center Finder is a compact, versatile aluminum alloy tool for precision woodworking. It functions as a center scriber, 90-degree square, protractor, and self-centering dowel drill guide. Precision pins quickly locate center lines or circles without manual measuring. Made from high-strength anodized aluminum, it resists corrosion while remaining lightweight and portable at just 2.5 ounces. Machined holes and an offset blade edge allow accurate markings with pencils or markers. Ideal for table saws, miter saws, router tables, and blade alignment. It often includes a flip stop, small magnet, and storage box for convenience and durability. Cabinet clamps. The ECY Cabinet Clamps make cabinet installation faster, easier, and more precise. Featuring an integrated drill guide, they allow accurate pilot holes without repositioning the clamp. Dual direction alignment ensures face frames are flush, front to back, and tightly joined side to side. Crafted from high-strength anodized aluminum, these clamps are durable, rigid, and rust-resistant. Multi-size felt pads protect cabinet surfaces from scratches, while precision threads enable micro adjustments for perfect alignment. With a strong 440-pound grip and wide jaw capacity, 2 inches to 3 7/8 inches, they securely hold styles of varying thicknesses. Kits include 2 clamps, hardware, felt pads, and a convenient storage case.